In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw USDT from Bybit P2P Trading. It's quick and easy once you know the steps. After completing a P2P trade, your USDT will be in your Bybit wallet. Tap or click on Wallet in the app or website. Select Withdraw, then choose USDT in the network. Make sure it matches the network of where you're sending it, like TRC20 or ERC20. Paste your wallet address or exchange deposit address, enter the amount and double-check everything, then hit Withdraw. The funds should arrive within minutes depending on network traffic. Always confirm the withdrawal details, especially the network, to avoid losing funds. This process works whether you're moving your USDT to another exchange, a crypto wallet, or sending to a friend. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides and Bybit tips.